Thank you for joining House Talks today. I would like to share my ideas and share few beautiful design tips on how to make an entry area that looks more open and inviting in the home. A first impression only happens once. So make it a great first impression with warm welcoming entryway into your home. There is no specific pattern how to decorate an entryway in the home because each home is different and moreover entryway area may have different layout on home to home. But I would say decorate it on your own style to maintain the harmony. What are the things to consider for an entryway makeover? First and foremost, before you plan, find out the space that works out best for an entryway spot in your foyer area. Then follow the three-step pattern. Number one, furniture. Choose furniture items such as console table or sitting bench or a table with storage and make sure it fits in the spot. Second, wall elevations. Check the space on wall area and think about the styling options. Then select what style of wall decor you want to go with. Choose the options you like. The third, decor accents and artifacts. There are different ways to decor your console table and wall and add different kind of artifacts such as sculptures, bookends, jars, candle stands or trays, whatever you like. Create a touch to your entry area. Let's deep dive into further more on each item. Styling an entryway with furniture placement. If your home offers a spacious entry area, then there is more opportunity to create an inviting ambience to the area. Having more open area gives opportunity to place a very nice and large decorative and modern console table to fill the space, and you can keep a large indoor plants or artificial plant to next to the table to brighten up the charm in the entry area. When you are looking the perfect pair of function and style, I would definitely recommend try a storage home decor to make it more decorative and functional. Depending on the space availability, you have option to spice up the style factor in your foyer to include a bright and beautiful console tables that match to your style and arrange a cozy table lamps and decorative accents. Adding baskets or buckets will enhance the cozy atmosphere to the space and offer additional storage. Not only that, placing a mirror on the wall will visually amplify the tiny space. A basic bench piled with colorful cushions would be definitely helpful enough for settling down, and it adds colors to the entry area. Styling wall space in entryway. Add elevation to the wall space. Make it grand foyer by customizing the entryway area wall with bright colors and textures, or make it special accent wall area. Here few best design ideas for wall area decoration. Customized moldings. Customized moldings are one of the best way to take interior appeal of the home to next level. It applicable for entry area too. Find out an entryway area wall and design a pattern to accent your entryway with a simple DIY moldings, which bring an instant dramatic look to any room including the entryway. And here are other simple DIYs for the wall space. A stacked stone feature wall in an entryway make it a modern and stylish. Or an abstract wallpaper on entryway wall will add the beauty and adds a great visual appeal. Or a simple DIY accent wall with monochromatic color will enhance the appearance when contrast color decorative objects and artifacts are arranged and staged. Wall art and decorative accents. Decorative artifacts make a house feel like a home, and it shows your sense of style. It is an individual personality on how to brighten up with wall decor or wall art. There is no way anyone can say what is the best and how to decorate it. So, what I can say is it's an individual style. Choose a style you want to bring up in your home, like you want a cottage style pattern, or you want to bring up a transitional style with modern elements, or you just want to go with nature green textures and elements. It all depends on our individual personality and style. Let's see a few examples how we can decorate an entryway with a traditional style with a modern touch. If there is no designated foyer area in your home, still you have a chances to create your own. Meaning, even if your house doesn't have a designated foyer, just add one or two pieces of the right furniture to fit the space and fake it to simulate the entry area. For smaller entryway, use wall space to hang the shelves to free up the floor space to display the items, to make it more efficient entryway. While you are enjoying the video today's episode about the entryway ideas, I would like to make a request here. If you are new to our stock channel and not subscribed yet, please consider subscribe to our stock channel. Thank you.